Now we will discuss about the types of bills. 4 types of bills are passed in the parliament: ordinary bill, money bill, financial bill and constitutional amendment bill. Let's begin with ordinary bill. Any bill which is neither money bill, financial bill or constitutional amendment bill is termed as ordinary bill. Now the procedure of passing the ordinary bill or become law. So here we will see that the ordinary bill can be introduced in either of the houses, mean in Lok Sabha or in Rajya Sabha, by any minister or member of the house. And second point is also very important, that in ordinary bill no need the prior recommendation of the president, but accept a bill under Article 3. Now here you should know about that. What is Article 3? In the Article 3, the provision is that the Parliament has power to change the or amend the name of the state and its boundaries. And after this, we will see that the both houses enjoy equal legislative jurisdiction in regards to such a bill. Means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha both has power to introduce a ordinary bill in Parliament. Now, in the case of deadlock, the joint session can be convenient, where both the members of the House, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, will try to make a law, and then the bill has to pass by simple majority. Then it goes to the president for his assent. Here, president has a power. If he want to sign on that bill, he will sign. Otherwise, he can also use his veto power or pocket veto. Now, this is important to understand how the bill come in deadlock. So here, first reason is when house passes the bill and other house reject it. Second is if one house passes the bill and other house also passes the bill but with amendments, and which is rejected by first house, then the bill become deadlock. And now the third situation is when if more than 6 months Rajya Sabha lapses from the date of reception of the bill by the other house without the bill being passed by it. So students, these are 3 grounds on which the joint session can be conveyed under Article 108, Part 1, A, B, C. Now, the next is money bill. A money bill is that bill which exclusively contains one or more subject matters mentioned in Article 110, such as taxes, land, etc., loan, etc. And how money bill is present and passed. This is a very important question. So here, this type of bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha with the prior recommendation of the president. Here remember students, this bill, money bill, can be only introduced in Lok Sabha and prior recommendation of president is required. And after the bill is passed in the Lok Sabha, it is transmitted to the Rajya Sabha. And then Rajya Sabha has to pass the bill within 14 days of its receipt from the Lok Sabha. And after the lapse of 14 days, it is assumed that both the houses have passed the bill. And the Rajya Sabha cannot amend the money bill. Remember, Rajya Sabha cannot amend the money bill. And it may suggest amendment, but the suggestion is not binding in the Lok Sabha. The bill has been passed by simple majority and then sent to the president for his signature. And the president cannot send the bill for the reconstitution of the parliament. Either he will pass the bill or he can also use his veto power or pocket veto. Now, financial bill. So students, a bill which apart from containing one or more subject matters and mentioned in Article 110 also contains some non-money matters. So this is known as financial bill. Now the question is how financial bill is presented and passed. So such type of bills can be introduced only in Lok Sabha with the prior recommendation of the President, like money bill. And then after that rest of the procedure same as that of the ordinary bill. Now the next type of bill is constitutional amendment bill. So here a bill which is introduced in Parliament under Article 368 to make changes in the provisions of the Constitution is known as constitutional amendment bill. And such type of bill can be introduced in either house of the Parliament. And this bill has to be passed by both the houses of the Parliament. They will sitting separately by a majority of absolute majority. And 24th Amendment Act 1971 made it binding on the President to sign on Constitutional Amendment Act. These are 4 types of bills passed in the Parliament. Thanks.